everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create this video in text effect on CapCut. So go to text and add text and write in the text you want. And then go to style and make sure the text color is black. And I'm just going to pick a font. Preferably the text that you choose is bold so you can see the video. I think I'm just gonna go with this Marvin 1. I'm just gonna make it bigger too. And then once you're done, you're just going to press the check mark button. You can also add an animation to your text if you want, if you'd like. So I'm just gonna find one. Maybe this wavy one. Press the check mark button and then there's an animation. Hold on, let me just delete that one. There. And then export it. Press done and open up the video that you want for your text. Press overlay and add in the exported video. So press add and then adjust it. Once you're done, you're going to press splice and choose the one that you think looks the best. The dodge one looks the best for mine, and then I'm just going to press the check mark button. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.